Your dreams are valuable and you are valuable. Do not disqualify yourself from what you want or who you are. Do not disqualify yourself early because you're scared to dig through the mess. See it through, be willing to sit in a season of vulnerability because it's going to take that to discover any facet of your identity. And like you have to sit in that tension and you have to wait and you have to wrestle and you have to go through things in order to arrive at the next point. Once you know who you are and what you bring to the table, you can start asking questions like, where else can I deposit myself? God, where can I serve today? Where do you want my gifts stewarded? Is it in my marriage? Is it in the ministry? Is it in the local church? Is it in businesses? Is it in friendships? Because I know who I am and I know what I have to offer. So God, send me today wherever, because I'm not a photographer. I'm not just a business owner. I can serve in any faucet. Like, Lord, just tell me today and I will obey. A lot of times the world and culture says, like, you want this, you want this, you want this, and all of these things. But it's like if you lose like who you are in that, like what's the point? Like what's the point of like having this amazing business if like in that you compromise like the life that like God gave you?
With great power comes great responsibility. You are an influencer, so that is a lot of responsibility. What you post matters, what you're telling people matters. So think before you post, and is Jesus at the center of it? Be you. And don't forget who you are. Don't try to be someone else based on what you're seeing. Your follower count does not define you. I literally cannot say that enough. It is just a virtual number in a virtual world that is not real.
God, like, why aren't you guiding me into a green pasture? Like, I want my business to be fruitful and I want to make so much money right now and I want to see who I am and like get all this reward, whatever. But like, there are cows that graze in this. Like, what if he's given you enough right now? Like, what if this is your green pasture? And like, he's like, look at, I'm giving it to you. Like, I'm giving you enough step by step. And like, it's beautiful here. You know, like maybe you don't, maybe you're in a season of like, you're getting what you need. And that's really good. And you can like grow in that for the next year and like focus on your other job, your part-time job in your green pasture, and you're moving that way towards that mountain. Like, you can still be traveling and traversing and eating on your little green pasture. Just because it doesn't like look as green as you thought doesn't mean he's not providing it for you.